Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Want to learn more about how to use rhythm sticks or lummi sticks or clap sticks in your classroom? Tune in for more. Copycat or copy me is one of my favorite activities to do with children and also with my early childhood students. I bring a set of rhythm sticks to the class and then I play a little game with children or my adult learners. It goes like this. Try to guess. What song am I tapping? Post in the comments below if you guessed that it was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Right, so there are other songs that you can tap that children might be familiar with, such as ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. First, you can actually tap all the songs with children, and once they understand the rhythm of the song, it's easier for them to guess. Because when I try this activity with adults, they guess much more often. With children, it's not so common. But the idea is to develop listening skills and rhythm. Yeah, the sense of rhythm. So we can use songs that you are already playing with children and they are familiar with. It could be Bluey Team's song or it could be Peppa Pig song. So whatever your children are familiar with, you can play it with the sticks first and then play this game called Guess My Song or Guess the Rhythm.